All right, thanks a lot, Gary. Let's go ahead and address some of your questions. The first question we have is, are there any situations where you'd want to comply with every STIG without modification? Stu, would you like to take that one?
Sure, Lisa. I can't imagine anyone other than maybe the military, and even the military, wanting to comply to them all automatically. They're too comprehensive. They miss some things, and they are more rigorous than most of us need. In a lot of cases, they're designed for, plug any soldier in here and make it work. And so they don't include the balancing of the cost to implement the check and the benefit that you might get reducing the risk. So I can't imagine anyone being stuck with just doing them hard with no changes.
All right, thank you, Stu. Next question we have. We're thinking about using STIGs, not sure if it's a fit yet. We'd need a lot of custom checks. How would you do that in IronSphere? Gary, did you want to take that one?
Sure. To develop your own checks, the first thing you would need to do is create a key. As an example, one of the checks that we looked at had a key of MVR_ACF_460. You create a key of that sort of format. For a homegrown check, you might do something like MVR_HGC_ and then some number. The HG group has already been defined. If you want to make a new STIG group, there'll be an extra step involved. But after you pick out a key for it, then what you're going to do is code the check in Rex, compile it, copy to IronSphere's Rex lib. Then you add the check to the appropriate ParmLib member in IronSphere ParmLib member. If you remember, when we set tape DSN to inactive, it would be that member there. Then we're going to create a text file describing the check and send that text file over to the server. The last thing you do then is add the check into Help Checker with Add New.
All right, thanks, Gary. Stu, I think this one's going to be for you. How often do STIG updates get released?
I see them coming out, maybe every other year, or sometimes even as often as twice a year. They update them all the time, but they come out with new fixed releases as they see enough change to make it worthwhile. So the website we gave you the link to points you to all of the current versions and also back versions. So you can get a good idea there, and that's also a good source for staying current and finding out what is the most recent release.
Okay, perfect. I think we have time for one more. Gary, I think this one's for you. How are the new checks added to the product?
Well, it's similar to what we do for when you develop your own checks, except for in this case, the Brex and everything is already coded. So what will happen is we'll get an update to the IronSphere's library of Rex execs. We'll add a new entry to the PARM member we discussed, and then the server needs to know about the check. There's actually a batch job that's provided to assist with doing all that for you.
Okay, awesome. Thank you. I think we're at the end of our webinar. We'd love to thank everyone for attending, and if you could complete the exit survey, we'd appreciate it. Thanks, everyone, and have a great day.